This is the SunPow Ultrasonic Cleaner. I'm going to pack a whole lot in this 5 minutes, and I'm going to save you some time along the way by speeding things up. One of the few things that I would do a little differently is on the bottom here, I would put some rubber feet. That aside, this thing is great. We've actually owned ultrasonic cleaners for, gosh, the majority of our 20 years marriage, and this is by far the best one. And we like it. So transparent top is great. Here's the key feature. If you want to turn it on, you've got a long press for 3 seconds to turn it on. Then you can just single press to go through all the functions. There's a low and there's a high. Single press this side too, big basket, small basket, or the whole thing. It's real simple, and then to turn it off, you got to long press it again. So sometimes people in the reviews thought that it wasn't working because they weren't pressing it and holding it for 3 seconds. All right, for this video, I'm just going to throw in a bunch of jewelry and a whole bunch of other stuff just to kind of let you see it. All in all, it works great. It's vibrating the water like super fast. It's a pretty good little hum going on, but very quiet, but definitely a hum happening. It's not loud, but you can just see it agitating the water. You could use like a jewelry cleaner as well, which would actually make this even work better. This is just filtered water. So all the results here would only get better if you use different chemicals. All right, so you can see stuff kind of coming off out of the hinges and the corners whenever you put things in here. That's what you want to see. I think some of that's dirt, some of that's oil. Sometimes you'll see little pieces of like lint and fuzz and stuff come out as well. It's pretty amazing how it just agitates and just gets all that gunk out of there. These rings cleaned up and polished up really nice. And again, this is just water. So while I'm showing you these rings, I also had some coins in there, and to be honest, they got a little cleaner, but they didn't do a whole lot. I don't think that's really the use case. To clean coins, you probably need something in there to agitate it, like sand or something else. So the coins was just kind of a fun experiment, but the main thing is the jewelry and the glasses and the contact lenses and such. So as you can see, on the bottom side of this ring especially, there used to be a whole lot of little bits of grime and stuff. It just polishes that up real good. And again, you're not having to scrub it. You could take a toothbrush to it if you wanted to even loosen it up more, but it just kind of pulls that junk out that's been sitting there for years. All right, this is a silver necklace that I got in Poland for my wife. It's actually real amber. And again, it's just pulling all the junk that's just kind of accumulates. All right, like I said, the coins, is okay. Let's move that around. I like that basket, how it will go horizontally or vertical. You can see all that. That's not bubbles. That's grime and grit in there. All right, there's a little closer look. You can see on the top of the surface, this stuff floating around. That is all coming out of the jewelry. Little bits of fuzz and little particles, probably skin cells. I mean, all sorts of stuff coming out of there. So it just kind of cleans it up real nice. Happy with that. All right, that aside, let me throw some more stuff in here. Glasses are probably, outside of jewelry, the best use case for this. You would be shocked at how much oil is stuck on those glasses. In fact, let me zoom in here and let you just see. Do you see it just kind of coming off of it? Like little wispy little clouds? That's crazy. These glasses aren't even dirty, or at least I didn't think they were dirty, but look at all the stuff that's just coming out of it. Definitely where the lens meets the plastic, but also like on the nose piece and stuff. It's crazy how much oils and stuff are on there. All right, here's another necklace. You can see the agitation level, just loosening up junk. So good. Did my sunglasses. These are the ones I wear in the pool. So there was like sunscreen and stuff. These are my daughter's glasses. We just do them all. You hit the button, walk away, 3, 4, 5 minutes later, you come back. This is new to us though, contact lenses. So again, I have water in there right now to clean them up real good. You could also use contact solution. I've just never even known that was an option, so that's really cool. All right, now the necklace. That was Grandma's necklace. Now this was a tool that I have actually spent a lot of time trying to clean because it was my grandpa's. It's one of those Leatherman tools. And even despite all my efforts, it was still really tight. I threw it in here. You can see all the junk coming off of it still. I mean, like I have spent time like scrubbing this thing before. And you can see how much more stuff's coming out. Once I did this for like 5 minutes, pull it out, and it's moving just like it's brand new. So big fan. All right, lastly, and just for fun, I threw this in there. Don't recommend that. All right, this was sent to me for a review. This is my honest review. I like it. This is the best one we've ever had. I would highly recommend it. All right, hope that helps. Enjoy, and look at all that. That's just awesome. I love it.